Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the 15th video of our YouTube channel. Today is 15th of January and we are discussing this LeetCode medium problem number 2225. Find players with 0 or 1 losses. Here they have given an integer array matches where matches of I equals to winner of I and loser of I. It indicates that the player winner I has defeated player loser I in a match, and we need to return a list of answer of size 2 where answers first row will contain a list of all players that have not lost any matches, and answers second array is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. The values in the two lists should be written in increasing order. We need to return the values in the increasing order, and here the we need to note that we should only consider the players that have played at least one match, and the test cases will be generated so no matches will have a scenario. Okay, in the first example, these are the matches. So in the first match, this is the first match where for first element has won and the third element is defeated. Here, the second element has defeated the third element. In the third match, the third element has defeated sixth element. Here, the players 1, 2, and 10 have not lost any matches. So, we need to return 1 to 10 in the first array of our 2D array. And the 4, 5, 7, 8 have lost only one match. So, we will be returning 4, 5, 7, 8 in the 4, 5, 7, 8 in the second row of our array, 2D array. In the second example, these are the matches, these 4 matches. In the first match, 2 has defeated third, first has defeated third, fifth has defeated fourth, and sixth has defeated fourth. So the players 1, 2, 5, 6 have not lost any matches, and there is no player that have lost only one match. So we will be returning null. So the approach in this question will be here, for example, matches. We will initialize a set for storing all values. Our set of all values will contain each element 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, but only unique elements will be stored in the this set. Then we will create a final vector for returning. This is the final vector we are returning, and the first row of this final vector will include all the players that have not lost any matches, and the second row will include all players that have lost exactly one match. After that, we will initialize the unordered map lost for storing the lost count of each element. So basically, this is the idea. We will store the lost count of the current element, and after that, we will iterate through all values and check for these conditions. So the first condition will be if the lost count of current element is if the lost count of current element is equal to 0, then we will add it in the final vector's first row. And if the lost count of current element is equal to 1, then we will add it in the final vector's second row. So let's code for that. Before that, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. First of all, we will create a set of integer all values. We need a 2D vector for returning. This is our final vector of size 2. After that, store the size of matches n. Then we will iterate through the matches. for auto each match of matches vector. Here we will insert all the values inside our all values set. All values dot insert every element of match 0, also all values dot insert match 1. This will insert all the elements 1 and 3 in all values, and it will only consist of the unique elements. After that, we will also store the lost. We will also store the lost count of each element, lost of match of 1, and increment that. So match of 1 match of 1 will give us this 3, 3, then 6, and we are inserting that element as a key in the lost and incrementing that count. So we are storing lost count of that element. Next, we will iterate through all values. This all values set all element, each element in all values. We will check two conditions. If the lost count of current element is equal to 0, then we will add it to the final vector's first row. And if the lost count of current element is 1, then we will add it to the final vector's second row. So if lost of element, if it returns 0, if lost of current element returns 0, we will add it to the final of 0 row. Push back this element. And if lost of current element equals to 1, then we will store it in the first row of final vector and push back this element. And at last we will return the final vector. Let's check the solution. We haven't created the lost vector yet. So this will be mad of integer as well as lost so the test cases ran successfully. Check for the hidden test cases. Yeah, the time complexity, the code ran successfully, and the time complexity here will be big of n, where n is the number of elements in the all values, and the space complexity will be as we are returning this 2D vector. So the space complexity will be big of n because the 2D vector is constant. So the space complexity will be big of n, and that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and exciting month-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.